Let's start. So basically in this video I would like to show you how you can register to the Google Cloud Skills Boost program, how you can start your journey and gain some free credits for the start. And basically all you have to do is to open your first email, like one in the example, and then you press the link button. The link brings you to this page, the basically first course on this laboratory, and it's primary thing you have to do. Just make sure it takes more than 10 minutes, I guess, and when you complete it by 100% you will get these free tokens that you can later spend on other courses. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.